Hello, welcome to studentlearning.in, your e-learning buddy. Welcome back to our channel, guys. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to join the family.
Today I am going to explain looping concept in Python. Looping is very important aspect of any programming language. Similarly in the Python. So loop is basically used to repeating the task, and this task is always based on the condition. So there are two type of loop in Python. First one is for loop, second one is while loop. For loop iterate over a given sequence, and while loop repeat as long as certain boolean conditions. Now I am going to explain simple example. Start with while loop. Suppose we have to print first 10 number using while loop. So first we have to initialize the first variable, that is I is equal to 1. Then define the proper condition and start with while I less than equal to 10, because the number is start with 1 and end with 10. Then initialize the condition while I less than equal to 10, because we have to print first 10 number. So number is less than or equal to 10, then print I, then I is equal to I plus 1. I is equal to I plus 1 is a counter variables. So start with the loop. I is equal to 1 by I less than equal to 10 colon print I. The first value of I is 1, so simply print 1. Again check second values. I is equal to I plus 1, that means 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Please check 2 is less than 10, that means simple print 2. Similarly check 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So print first 10 values using for loop on the basis of condition. Condition should be I less than equal to 10, that means number should be 10 or less than 10, right? Another example in while loop, because while loop is always depend on counter side. Suppose the counter variables is I is equal to I plus 1, that means the first value is 1 and second value is I plus 2, that means 3, and third value is 5, next 7, and last one is 9. 11 is not applicable because its condition is I less than equal to 10. This is the best example of for loop. Now I am going to explain for loop. Suppose we have to print table of a given number. So it's very simple. First input a number, n, number is a n is a variable, define integer because 4 is integer values, or 3 is integer values, 5 is integer values. All are integers. You simply input, enter the number to print the table. It's a message. So just type and run. We have to input any number. Suppose number is 4 and then enter. Clear? Then we have to apply loop in this concept for I in range 1 comma 11. 1 comma 11 is very simple because tables lies between 1 to 10. 1 to 10. It's very clear. Print n is a number, that means 4. X is a results. I is a variables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, and n into I is the proper table number. So just print like this, and you can see there is a table of 4. 4 into 1 equal to 4, 4 into 2 equal to 8, 4 into 3 equal to 12, 4 into 4 equal to 16, and last is 40. This is the best example of for loop, right? So there is another example to print factorial of a number using for loop. It is a similar pattern. First we have to input a number. Suppose number is 4, then enter. Factorial means, suppose number is a 4, factorial of 4 means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that means 24. So result is should be 24. So there is very simple algorithms of factorial of a given number. First, define initial values, that is f is equal to 1. Then apply the condition if n less than 0. That means there is no negative numbers. Suppose number is negative, that means loop is already ended. Else if n equal to 0, print factorial of 0 is 1 because the factorial of 0 is always 1. Else for I in range 1 comma n plus 1, n plus 1 means 0 plus 1. Then print the result side f equal to f into 1. So after that print the factorial of n is f. F is a result side. It's very simple. Print the run button. So you can see the factorial of 4 is 24. Right? There is a precaution in case of if else. Suppose there is a space in else if, that means you can see there is an error. Right? So always remember that alignment it should be same in case of if, else if or else. Alignment is very important part of Python programming, and you can see the error is already removed. This is the basic concept of Python programming in terms of loop, while loop or for loop.
Thank you so much for watching. Please leave your questions in the comment section down below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Student Learning. Check out more courses from us and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, basically everywhere. The link is always in the description. We will be back with more lectures. Stay tuned and have a good day. Bye.